So now guys, we are talking about bitwise in case of data structure, bitwise analysis. So first we are talking about bitwise algorithm basics. Bitwise algorithm basics. What is the meaning of bitwise algorithm basics? Actually, the bitwise algorithm are used to perform operations at bit level or to manipulate bits in different ways. Okay, bits means a important thing in computer science. The bitwise operations are found to be much faster and are sometimes used to improve the efficiency of a program. Okay, bitwise operations which we will use in this course are found to be much faster. Bitwise operations are faster and sometimes used to improve the efficiency of our program. So for example, to check if a number is even or odd, this can be easily done by using bitwise AND operator. Okay, on bitwise AND operator. Bitwise AND operator. If the last bit of the operator is set, then it is odd. Otherwise, it is even. Therefore, if number num and 1 not equals to 0, then num is odd. Otherwise, it is even. So, we can easily solve our this problem to check if a number is even or odd with the help of bitwise operations, and it is very easy. How it is easy? If num and 1 not equals to 0, then num is odd, otherwise it is even. So we are using some bitwise operations. Some bitwise operations are these. The operators that work at bit levels are called bitwise operators. Okay. In general, there are 6 types of bitwise operator. We have 6 types of bit operators. First, we have AND, means bitwise AND. What? Bitwise AND. Takes two number as operands and does AND on every bit of two number. Okay. The result of AND is 1 only if both bits are 1. The result of AND is 1 means true only if both sides bits are 1. If at least one bits become 0, then result of AND is 0. Suppose A equal to 5 and B equal to 3. Therefore, A and B is equal to 1, because A is also a number, B is also a number, and A and B also are 1. So like that, we also discussed our bitwise bitwise or bitwise or takes two number are operand and choose OR on every bit of two numbers. The result of OR is 1 if any of the two bits is 1. Any of the two bits. Okay. In case of AND, both bits are equal to 1, then we get 1. But in case of OR, if any one of the bits is 1, so we get 1. Suppose A equal to 5 and B equal to 3. Therefore, A or B equal to 7. Okay. Now we are talking about bitwise XOR. What is the meaning of bitwise XOR, which are used in our programming language? Bitwise XOR takes two number as operand. Bitwise XOR takes two number as operand, like bitwise AND, bitwise OR, and does XOR on every bit of two numbers. The result of XOR is 1 if the two bits are different. Result of XOR is 1 if the two bits are different. Okay. Means A equal to 5 and B equal to 3. Therefore, A XOR B equal to 6. So this is also a positive result, 6. These number A equal to 5 and B equal to 3, both numbers are different. So for left shift, this is left shift it takes two numbers. Okay, left shift takes two numbers. Left shift the bits of the first operand. The second operand decides the number of places to shift. And like that, we have right shift also. The work of right shift also is the same. Right shift takes two numbers. Right shift the bits of the first operand. The second operand decides the number of places to shift. And we have this bitwise not. Bitwise not. So bitwise not takes one number and invert all bits of it. Bitwise not takes one number and inverts all bits of it. Suppose we have a equal to 5 and bitwise not a equal to minus 6. Because a is a 5, so not a is not a 5. It is another number. Important facts about bitwise operator. So we are discussing about important facts about bitwise operator. So the left shift and right shift operator cannot be used with negative numbers. Okay, you will remember that. The bitwise XOR operator is the most useful operator from technical interview perspective. We will see some very useful applications of XOR operator later in our coming videos. The bitwise operators should not be used in place of logical operators. Logical operators are different and bitwise operators are different. Okay, these are two different things. The left shift and right shift operator are equivalent to the multiplication and division by 2 respectively. The AND operator can be used to quickly check if a number is odd or even. The value of expression x and 1 would be non-zero only if x is odd, otherwise the value would be 0. So this is the basics of bitwise operator. Okay.